You want me to pull you out?
Right now.
Does it start?
No, it doesn't start. It doesn't reach it, so.
You want to pull him out? I got some tow straps. May pull this guy out. You want to help us do that? Okay, cool. So, if you want, we can get you pulled to dry land. You want to do that? Okay, he's gonna back in. I got some tow straps. We'll hook you up and we'll pull you on out of here. Okay? Yes, sir. Our pleasure. All right, give me the keys from in the middle console. Travis, get in here and get the straps. Okay, he's got a tow strap right here. Never mind.
You got it?
Yeah, pulling this guy out. Shit, let me shut the door. Fuck. Yeah, let's get it. There you go. We're just pulling on out. And we'll sit right here so that way nobody floods you on the way by. Floods him either. There you go, Travis. Get down there in the water. He's gonna be I don't think after being in that water he can catch the coronavirus now. He's probably immune. Yeah, he's gonna be immune now after being in the water. Yeah. Be green. Yeah, it got you, huh? It got over in the engine? We should pull him on out of there. Y'all have a great day. Yeah, at least the waves are also blocking it from coming over here. The boat is. Okay. Can you not find a spot, Travis? Huh? Okay. Alex, get my keys from in the middle console. We got a hook inside of here, that way he can hook it on there. Thank you. Here, pull that one over there. Hey, you only need that one. It's that one tow strap. There you go. Got it? Keep it tight and then wrap it up underneath that thing. Underneath, over, everything. And then thanks, guys. Got it? Yeah. Well, the thing is, if we could get it up to here, it's going to be hard to push right here, because we're not going to be able to get no grip. But even if he's got one side, it'd probably be good if Travis goes back and hooks that same side. Yeah. There you go. All right, now we'll jump back in. There you go, Travis.
Yeah, if you don't mind, I mean,
Yeah, we'll stay right here behind you. That way nobody rushes you or anything like that. Here you go, Alex. Hold that. All right, y'all go ahead and let's get back in, because we're going to kind of follow to the left beside them.